Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add a shadow effect to your texts and objects in the Pixlr photo editor. So let us get started. Alright guys, so let me go with that example image here and start by adding an example text. So to do that, click into this text tool in the left hand side and locate or navigate to the place where you'd like to position your text. So let me go with this spot here on the canvas. After that, enter your text. So let me go with shadow effect for the sake of this tutorial. And for this method, guys, make sure that you stay with the text tool selected and don't switch back to the select tool. And what you want to do after that, guys, is highlight your text inside the text box. And here at the top, let me just change the color and go with, let's say, something darker. Let me go with red. Click into OK. However, doing that is optional. You can keep white, but I did this for better contrast. So what you want to do, guys, is highlight the given text and click into styles here next to formatting and apply both the outline and the shadow effect. Of course, the shadow effect will most likely suffice, but for better visibility, I will add also an outline effect to show you the effect of it and the result. So toggle it on here and select your outline color here. Let me go with black, and that's basically it. You may also adjust the size here, for example, and let me go with pretty intense of somewhere around 50. And now we see that outline effect here. So let me just zoom in a bit. And what you want to do after that, apply also a shadow effect. So again, highlight in the text, click into styles here, and under outline, simply scroll further down and expand the shadow effect and also toggle it on. And now you may customize the shadow effect. So as you can see, we chose that dark or black outline, and now we're going to use also a dark or black shadow. So you may choose the color here. Let us go with black for the sake of this tutorial so that it matches the outline color. And after that, you may play around with the blurring intensity of the shadow effect. So if I move the slider to the left, it will look like that. And if I move it to the right, the blurring will be pretty intense, like a shadow. You may also adjust the intensity of the distance, the direction from the bottom left, from the top right. For example, if I move that direction slider like this, the shadow moves more to the top right. And that's it. You may also play around with the opacity. And that's it, guys. So as you can see, you can play around with this quite a lot. Let me move all of it some slow or slightly to the 50% mark so that it looks pretty balanced. And that's it. That's how you apply a shadow effect to text. So if I select the select tool, I will be able to move it around here with the shadow effect still applied or in use. And that's it. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day.